Good day, everybody. Welcome to the 8th of April, 2025. Real estate prices are up about 2.9% year over year. So that's from the end of 2024 to this particular point in 2025. These are overall numbers here for California, but you can also see that same trend here in Santa Clarita. As of this morning, about 5:30 a.m., 629 total active listings on the market for sale. You can go to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com to see all of that brand new inventory. They're all posted right there, very much on the home page, so you'll be able to click on whichever city. The newest listings are always going to populate first when you get down to the city. If you're looking for the open houses, of course, you'll see that tab also. And these are everything derived from the MLS. It is a local resource. It is my resource. So on there, you'll be able to find a lot of information about the real estate market. Current trends in real estate, we are seeing prices increase, but very, very slowly. It's going to be indicative of this entire year. We're not going to see any massive price increases or decreases. Everything's probably going to stay quite steady. We are seeing a lowering of interest rates because those mortgage rates are based on the 10-year bond, and there seems to be a lot more confidence in that sector. Also, if you look at the stock market, what typically happens in a regularly weird-driven world is where we are. We can see the stock markets actually start to have some pain points, but with that, real estate becomes more popular. So people are now no longer getting involved in the paper end of things, investing in the stock market, but now kind of moving their money over towards real estate, investments, single family residences, rentals, these sorts of things. Also, it does provide a lot of stability for those homeowners out there. So they're looking to either retain the real estate because they have something golden handcuffs, which means they have very, very low interest rates, or they're taking those properties, they're going to plan on renting them, but they'll get a bridge loan. They'll get something to pull money out of those properties in order to invest into something larger, something that maybe better fits their needs. And even with that lower interest rate, a lot of times it does pay off and the money makes sense when they start to look at these numbers. The fires in Southern California, insurances in Southern California, as a buyer tip, I would definitely recommend that you look at the insurance capability of any property. Make sure you reach out to an insurance agent. You can go through a big company, that's fine, but you're going to find as nimble as an actual broker of insurance. So if you don't have anybody in that connection field, I'm here. I have that for you as well. And also lenders out there. A lot of people go to big mainline banks, and while that might be effective with some folks, it's also good to bounce your numbers off the mortgage folks out there, the mortgage brokers, to get maybe a better deal because they can pull on a couple hundred sources of money versus a mainline bank only one. I'm Connor with Honor. We will see you tomorrow on our next update. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.